Why do millions of travelers flock to these destinations every year? Discover the magic of Earth's top paradises right now. First stop, Switzerland. Imagine yourself amidst the majestic Alps, sipping hot chocolate by pristine lakes or strolling through charming villages. From the iconic Matterhorn to the serene Lake Geneva, Switzerland is a treasure trove of postcard-perfect scenes. Next, we jet off to New Zealand, where adventure meets tranquility. Whether it's the mystical Milford Sound or the dramatic landscapes of Tongariro, each corner of New Zealand is a playground for nature lovers and thrill-seekers alike. Ah, Italy, the land where history and modernity dance under the Mediterranean sun. Stroll through the vibrant streets of Venice, taste the rich flavors of Tuscany, and lose yourself in the breathtaking views of the Amalfi Coast. Heading to the vast landscapes of Canada next, where the splendor of Banff National Park and the thunderous Niagara Falls await. Explore the multicultural vibrancy of cities like Vancouver and Quebec City, all set against the backdrop of stunning natural beauty. Finally, our journey concludes in Japan, a country where cherry blossoms paint the towns pink and ancient temples tell tales of yore. From the serene Mount Fuji to the bustling streets of Tokyo, Japan is a fusion of the old and the new, constantly surprising and delighting. These countries not only offer stunning scenery, but also unforgettable experiences that draw travelers from across the globe. Pack your bags, your next adventure awaits in one of these earthly paradises.